This iPhone 12 Pro Max came in for baseband issue. We begin by diagnosing the device. We dial the MA code. The baseband digits didn't pop up. We also try to check the modem firmware. It isn't available, it is missing, and the phone constantly shows no service. All these symptoms means the baseband of this device is faulty. We proceed to the physical inspection of the motherboard of this device. Then we realized that the phone was overpunched during the process of back glass replacement. The RF board is punctured. So we're left with no other option than to do the RF board swap on this device. We start the operation by separating the logic board using our XCZ heating platform with the support of our rework station, so as to be able to balance up the heat on the both layers of the logic board. This method of separation will help prevent overheating of the logic board. Physical inspection is also necessary after every board separation in order to verify the accuracy of the heat applied. We first go for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. We cut the surrounding glue before attempting to desolder the IC chip. Then we move to the baseband CPU. We cut the surrounding glue as well before we desoldered it. Warming up stage is very crucial on every desoldering process. This will get the IC prepared for desoldering and also prevent sudden temperature change, which might get the IC shorted. Then we proceed to the preparation of the new RF board for transplant process. We need to scrape off the glue and got it clean and smooth for the chips to balance well on it. We applied flux and solder paste on the IC pad to make the scraping soften and the pads shining of solder paste. We continue by smoothing the pads with our soldering tip and application of flux. Then we clean it up by brushing it with our PCB cleaner in order to make it clean and neat. The RF board preparation for transplant is successfully completed. Then we proceed to the cleaning and reballing process of the IC chips. We begin with the baseband CPU by applying flux and soldering paste on it to scrape off the underfill glue. Then we repeat the same action on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth IC chip. Heat control must also be observed, even when using the soldering station, particularly on the encrypted chips. Then we brush up the both IC chips. Click on the next video to watch the final process and result.